Lord Kodiak Locksport.
Hey everybody, it's Lord Kodiak again. I'm setting up to do the Shacklemen Cuff Club Cuff College SW7 edition of Let's Get Twisted. Take the handcuffs, put the keyholes up, but they're going to be kind of stacked. I'm going to go ahead and double lock this now before it gets nearly impossible. And then, yeah, got to figure out how to do this. That won't be cool. Keyholes up. As you can see, this one's a little bit more interesting. There we go. Okay, keyholes are up this way and kind of get all twisted up here. So they must be double locked. So I need to double lock this one still somehow. Let's see how I'm going to do this. There we go. Just take some little contorting. There. Double lock is not set. Weird. Could have swore I heard that click. Try that again. Now it's set. And I know that one's set because I did it prior. Alright, so let's get twisted. I need to take a pick and get myself out of this mess. Gotta figure out how to get the right angles here to do this stuff. So granted, only one side is going to be the nightmare. I think I just got that one. Yes, I did. That one's done. And get the double lock. I think I just got that one. Maybe not. Nope, I didn't. Get on the right side of the keyhole. That sounded like it. And there we go. Double trouble. Got my escape. Cuff College SW number 7.